got to tip my hat to Ted Lenzak. Showed me last week on a fly rod that this might be topwater time, and I saw a bed right there. First cast in there. Guys, I'm fishing super clear water, and I'm using 6-pound fluorocarbon, very light line. But I don't have a bunch of structure once I get them off the bank area, so I'm finding this working, especially on the soft plastic bite. I feel like it's really good to use the light clear line. Come here, girl, I know you're tired to get you released. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice fish.